Cassava is a plant overwhelming with worth and value for the Thais. Thailand is one of the cassava key manufacturers of the world by planting, processing, consuming domestically and exporting. This industry becomes of enormous value to the Thai economy. Petchthara realizes the value of economic crops, which can increase the value and create various career opportunities. Importantly, we help enhance the creation rooted from ideas into production process, processing, and eventually innovation and a wide range of quality products for consumers. Starting from the value of cassava, with Petchthara's hope and intention, this is to generate smiles, happiness, and also lift up the well-being of people. Petchthara Company Limited was established in 2012 under the cooperation of two companies significantly involved in the manufacturing industry in Taiwan and Thailand, with the association between King Sing International Group, which is a major manufacturer and distributor for the food industry in Taiwan, and Roy Et Group Limited Company from Thailand, which is a key tapioca manufacturer with over 3 decades experience in this industry and owning 7 plants of tapioca starch manufacturing. It is therefore deemed that Petchthara is a robust synergy which can provide a genuine strength to the tapioca industry in Thailand. Petchthara headquarters is located in Bangkok and is responsible for administration and customer relations. In terms of manufacturing, there is a tapioca starch manufacturing plant located in Nakhon Ratchasima province, covering an area of 234 acres, with a manufacturing capacity of 300 tons of tapioca starch daily, controlled by 200 experienced employees. Petchthara plant carries out its efficient manufacturing. Tapioca starch manufacturing plant, wastewater treatment plant, with 20 units for employee accommodation. Manufacturing processes from Petchthara plant are integrated with the fresh cassava roots and then processed into tapioca starch with international quality standards. Starting from the cassava farm, Petchthara selects only the highest quality of fresh cassava roots from farmers in the nearby Petchthara plant area and neighbouring provinces. Through weighing, and measuring thickness of starch content as a product quality check, then purchasing at the daily set price, it ensures fairness for farmers selling cassava roots. The numbers of fresh cassava roots stored at the plant are enough for the assembly line for 24 hours. Cassava roots are assembled onto the conveyor belt, where finger roots are removed before entering into the production process. After that, fresh cassava roots are loaded onto the vibrating screen to separate soil and sand, and then cleaned up before being forwarded to the peeling process. Clean cassava roots are sent to the root chopper. During the milling process, cassava roots are crushed and mixed with water to be transformed into mashed cassava root. The mashed cassava root then has the sludge extracted from the slurry with a standard pulp extractor. Such coarse sludge obtained from this process is passed on to the compression plant. Next is the extraction of protein from the starch using the separator and hydrocyclone machinery to make it denser. The centrifuge machine is then used to remove the fluid. Tapioca starch obtained from this step has a moisture content of around 35% and is passed onto the flash dryer process. The flash dryer process dries tapioca starch in hot air to decrease the moisture content before cooling down in cold air to achieve a moisture content of not more than 13% before being sent to the starch glider. This glider has a role in selecting oversized tapioca starch out before packing. Petchthara has a wide range of packaging sizes to meet the different needs demanded by various customers, from 20, 25, 50, 600, 650, 850 and 1000 kilograms. The care and attention in each process makes Petchthara's products widely recognized and trusted internationally. 80% of the total output of Petchthara is exported internationally, where there is an increasing demand for this product in the global market. With meticulous attention to cleanliness and excellent quality tapioca starch, with specialists to ensure that each process meets with international quality standards. Petchthara products have been certified by accredited international organizations such as Certificate of Good Manufacturing Practice for Safety Food Manufacturing and Control by Ministry of Agriculture and Cooperatives. Certificate of Good Manufacturing Practice for Safety Food Manufacturing and Control by Institute. Quality Management System with ISO 9001 standard. Islamic Halal Food Standard Process. Certificate of Manufacturer by Food and Drug Administration. Certificate of Non-GM Plant in Thailand by Department of Agriculture. In addition to the highest quality manufacturing process, Petchthara also recognizes the importance of environmental management and efficient resource management. Petchthara also believes that good management will help maximize benefits to the corporate sector, the community, the society, and the environment. Coarse tapioca sludge taken into the waste compactor will be sold to the pet food industry or to local farmers as animal feed. Water from the manufacturing process is conveyed to the wastewater treatment system to be recycled and is an example of one of the processes of environmental care and natural resource efficiency. Our assembly line is committed to care and quality in line with Petchthara's vision to energize the Thai economy, add value, and to generate happiness to everyone in society, as well as to maximize consumers' benefits around the world. This is Petchthara's sincere promise for the sustainable success for the future.